Let us introduce ourselves, O people of this land.
We are the Warner Brothers,
with sister close at hand.
I bet you all are wondering, who is this young unknown? And why am I inheriting the Anvilian throne?
Yes, why? Yes, why? Oh, please, please tell us why.
The bottom of the family tree starts with Yakko, that is me. I'm the cousin to the sister of the son's niece's brother, of the uncle's daughter's father, of the nephew's sister's mother, and my grandpa's only cousin was the king's daughter's sibling. But they're all gone, and that is why I am now your king.
He is now our king.
Yes, I am now your king. Repeat what I just said.
Repeat what I just said.
And let the anvils ring. Old King Yakko's mania was for Anvillania. So good citizens, I pledge to you, I'll do the best that I can do for honor, country, and the king. Let the anvils ring.
Let the anvils ring.
Let the anvils ring.
Let the anvils ring.